Next, let's watch Miss Jones work with first graders as they read a decodable text.
Again, as you watch, think about the best practices you've learned and how these are being implemented with students.
All right, friends, so we have been learning to spell words with the CH digraph. And today we will read a story using the new skill that we have. So I'm going to ask you to look over this passage. So go ahead, everybody grab your passage. And I'm going to ask you to highlight any word that has the CH digraph pattern, okay? So let's take your markers and put the top on the bottom and make it snap. Like that. Very good. Ready? All right, so let's go ahead and go through the passage, and I want you to highlight the words that have the CH digraph. Okay, go ahead. Very good. And when you highlight, you can just take your highlighter and just. Very good. Very good. Only highlight the words with the CH digraph. Just words that have the CH. Good job. Good. All right, I'm going to give you about 30 more seconds to get any other words that have the CH digraph. Doing an awesome job. Very good. All right, very good. Let's take our highlighters, put your cap back on it, and put it down. And now I want you to take your finger, and we're going to use our fingers as our pointers, okay? Put your finger on the first word that you highlighted that has the CH digraph, okay? And we're going to read all of the words that we have highlighted. So we're not going to read the whole passage. We're only going to read the words that we highlighted. So only the words in blue. Give me thumbs up if you understand. What are we going to read? The words in blue. The words that we highlighted in blue that have the CH. Very good. Ready? Read. Chuck, lunch, chuck, belch, bunch, chuck. What's that next word? Let's sound out together. What's the first sound? B. What's next? Eh. Oh, next sound? Sh. Yeah, belches. Okay, that ending, yeah, that's tricky. We haven't really covered that a lot yet. Belches. Say it. Belches. Do you know what it means when someone belches? That's when someone burps. All right, put your finger on belches. Okay, belches. What's the word? Belches. Belches. Okay, let's go to the next word. Chuck. Chet. Chet. Chuck. Oh. Check. Chuck. Chuck. And last one is Chuck. Very good. Okay, so we've practiced all of those words that we highlighted with the CH digraph. So now we are going to read the whole story together. Okay, so we're not going to skip around just to the highlighted words. We're going to read the whole story together. Put your fingers on the first word. All right, what's that first word? Chuck. Chuck. So now we're going to read the whole thing all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, read. Chuck had pop with lunch. So Chuck had to belch a bunch. Chuck held his belches in. When he did, Chuck got the hiccups. How can he get rid of his hiccups? Chet had a plan. He would scare him. Boo! Yelled Chet. Chuck jumped. Check it out, Chuck said. Chuck had goosebumps. What's that? Chuck had goosebumps. His hiccups stopped. Now Chuck sneezed. Oh my goodness, so many things happened, okay? So I want you to turn and tell your neighbor what happened in that story. Lots of things happened, right? Yeah, I heard a couple of different things. So I want you to talk to your neighbor and I want you to tell your neighbor what happened in the story, okay? Take turns and tell what happened in the story. Ready? Go ahead. He did what?
He scared us.
And what's the word in the story that new word that we learned? The other word for burped. It was? It wasn't hiccup. What was the word for burp? It was belch. Belch. Yeah, he belches. Very good. Okay. He did sneeze. Okay. All right. Very good.
With his lunch.
He did. He had
Pop.
He had pop with his lunch. Do you know what pop is?
Is it a drink?
It is a type of drink. It's we may call it something different. It's like soda. Very good. Very good. Okay.